The problem here is find the polynomial f of x using Lagrange's formula, hence find f of 3. The values are given x, f of x 0, 2, 1, 3, 2, 12 and 5, 47. Okay. Important question. This question has also been frequently repeated in the VTU examinations many times. Okay, I have seen it several times. It's easy direct substitution, but problem is many people fail to write the Lagrange's interpolation formula properly. So first in this problem, I will again show you. You can see my previous videos also. I'll discuss further. Here also I am going to make you perfect how to write the correct formula. Okay. Then since they are mentioned here, interpolate the polynomial. See here clearly f of x. That means generally, you write the formula, they will give some value of x, say 3, 4, 5, whatever, put and get the answer. But here they mention first find the interpolating polynomial. That means you are not supposed to put the value directly. You are supposed to find a polynomial, means an equation like x square plus x cube plus 2x, something like that. You find the equation, then in the equation you put a value. Okay. Normally if they give, say, find using Lagrange's interpolation formula f of 3, means nothing. Just f of 3 minus what, you get the answer directly. But since they are mentioned here polynomial, so in any question of interpolation, when they mention polynomial, you have to first find the function in terms of x equation in terms of x, and then put a value. Okay. So first I'll show you how to write the Lagrange's interpolation formula correctly in a very simple way. So you will see here, these are the values for x0, x1, x2, x3, and this for y0, y1, y2 and y3. So first what I'll do, see, you can take a pencil, write like this. See, x0, x1, x2, x3, right? x0, x1, x2, x3. So the formula y is equal to f of x equals to, see carefully, first I am going to remove this x0. When I remove x0, what remains? X minus all the terms, x minus x1, x minus x2, x minus x3 into what? y0 whole divided by, we have not taken x0, removed. That means x0 minus all the terms. So x0 minus x1 into x0 minus x2 into x0 minus x3. That's it. Okay. Plus, next, what to do again, right? x0, x1, x2, x3. I'll remove x1. Simple. Again what? X minus x0. What are the remaining terms here? x0. Then x minus x2 and x minus x3 into, second is y1 over x1 minus all the top terms. x1 minus x0, x1 minus x2, x1 minus x3. Plus again, next what, tell me? x0, x1, x2, x3, x2. Okay, so now I not take x2, then this will be x minus x0, x minus x1 and x minus x3 into y2 over x2 minus all the terms. See, so simple to make. Okay, x2 minus x0, x2 minus x1, x2 minus x3, and lastly we don't take what? x3. So x0, x1, x2, x3. That's it. Then later I can rub it. Okay, that's plus. Again, x minus x0, x minus x1, x minus x2 into y3 over x3 minus all terms, x3 minus x0, x3 minus x1 and x3 minus x2. That's it. This is the Lagrange's interpolation formula, beautifully structured. Okay, so you do like this, you get correct. That means, you see, you get a full marks here. Otherwise something will go wrong here, no, everything goes to waste. Okay, so please follow it, you will be able to make the correct Lagrange interpolation formula. Now that implies, I write here only, y is equal to, what's that? See, since in the question they have mentioned polynomial. See, if they are given, if directly for f of 3, we put in place x 3 minus, or x1 1, 3 minus 2, 3 minus 5, so on. I know it's 2, and use the calculator to get the answer. But here they have mentioned clearly polynomial. If you do directly, you won't get marks. So first you need to develop a form a polynomial in terms of x here. Say x square minus x cube plus x 2x, something like that. Okay, so we'll do that now. So first for that, what you do, keep x as it is. So x minus, what's x1? 1 into x minus, what's x2? 2 into x minus, what's x3? 5 into, what's y naught? Is 2 over x naught minus, so what is x naught? 0. So 0 minus 1 into 0 minus 2 into 0 plus 5. Okay, again plus, again x minus x naught 0 into x minus x2 is 2 into x minus x3 is 5 into 3 over, we have x1 is 1, 1 minus 0, 1 minus 2, 1 minus 5, plus again next x minus x naught, again same thing, x minus 0 into x minus x1 is 1 into x minus x3 is 5, right, into y2 is 12, input all the values correctly, upon it was x2 minus x2 is 2, 2 minus 0, 2 minus 1, 2 minus 5, and lastly we have x minus 0, x naught, then x minus x1 is what? 1, then x minus 2, okay, y3 is 147, 7 over, finally x3 minus all the terms, so 5 minus 0, 5 minus 1, 5 minus 2, that's what we get. Now we need to simplify this. That implies y is equal to, so let's simplify this here. We get x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 5. See here, sorry, okay, so y is equal to, this will be same, 2 cancels, okay, minus minus plus minus, so upon minus 5, then plus this will be now, say it is second of x minus 2, x into x minus 2 into x minus 5, be careful here, into 3 upon, see this is 5 to 10, right, it is 1 minus 5 will be 4, 1 minus 2 will minus 1, so obviously this will be 3 by 4, so 3 by 4, 3 by 4, plus again this will be 3 by 4, and the next term will be x into x minus 1, x into x minus 1 into x minus 5 into 2 minus 2, 6 are 12, correct, so this will be 2 6 of 12, and 2 minus 3 is 2 minus 1 is 1, 2 minus say basically 2 minus 5 minus 3, 3 4s are 12, 2 2s are 4, correct. So if you have this, we will get just 2 into, so upon, so this will be into 2 into upon, yeah, nothing, 1, okay, and lastly plus the last term x into x minus 1 into x minus 2 over, this will be 5 into 4 into 3, so 5 into 4 into 3, so if you calculate, this will be, you can calculate here, this will be 147 divided by 5 into 4 into 3 is equal to, it's 49 over 20. Okay, so it is 49 over 10. So 49 over 20 into 49 over 20. This is what we got. Now this whole thing we need to simplify properly and make it into reduce into polynomial equation form. So what I will do is the LCM is C20 here. So this will be now 1 over 20. See, you can take the LCM. See, 5 4s are 20 and LCM is 20 here. So if you take 20 outside and multiply this inside, this will be now how much? Simplified properly, this will become 1.20 minus x minus 1 into, see I taken LCM is 20, so minus this sign I take it outside, 5 4s are 20, so everything multiplied by 4, correct? So this will be minus 4 into, this will be x minus 1 into x square minus 2x minus 5x minus 7x plus 10, am I right? X square minus 2x minus 5x minus 7x plus 5 to the 10 plus 5x into, again this will be 4 5 to 20, so 5x into, again this is 3 into, again this is 3 here, so don't forget it, this will be what, 3 5 to 15 first, 15 into x into x square minus 2 minus 7x plus 10, again plus 20 into 2 is 40, 22s are 40, because LCM is 20 here, 120 is 20, 22 is 40 into x square minus x minus 6x plus 5, and lastly plus we have plus, again LCM is 20 here, so 49 into x into 49 into x into x square minus x minus 2x minus 3x plus 2. Okay, this thing you have. So I simplified here. You just open a bracket again. So minus 4 into first minus 4 outside into, you take x cube minus x square minus 7x square plus 7x plus 10x minus 10. Then again 15 outside, x cube minus 7x square plus 10x, again x cube minus 6x square plus 5x plus this again 49 outside, x cube minus 3x square plus 2x, so on. Again open a bracket and expand it. So I've done it here. So this we are getting it as again 1 by 20, we get it as 4 into minus 4 into x cube minus 8x square plus 17x minus 10 plus 15 into, we get x cube minus 7x square plus 10x, right? Then minus 40 into, this was, wait a second, this was third term, no? It was third. This was 12 divided by 2, 3 4s are 12, this is minus 2, okay? This will be minus 2, sorry. Be careful here. So this will be minus 2. So definitely, where I did it, minus 2 into 20. So this will be minus 40, right? This will be, yeah, correct, minus 40. So minus, this will be 40 into x cube minus 6x square plus 5x, right? And lastly plus 49 into, what's that? Right? X cube minus 3x square minus 2x. X cube minus 3x square minus 2x. This is what we get here. Okay, fine. Now I'll simplify further. Just open a bracket now. So minus 4x cube plus 32x square minus 28x plus 40 plus 15x cube minus 105x square plus 150x minus 40x cube plus 240x square minus 20x plus 49x cube minus 49 into 3 is 127, 147x square minus 98x. You solve that, you get the answer as equal to nothing but 1 by 20 into 20x cube plus 20x square minus 20x plus 40. Therefore, the polynomial is, we get the polynomial as That implies the polynomial y is equal to 21s are 21s are 21s are 22s are. So x cube minus x square minus x plus 22s are 40. This is the solution. Okay. So we have obtained the interpolating polynomial for the question. Now we can easily find f of 3 or y of 3 whatever. So f of 3 will be equal to, so in place of x put 3, they may get f of 3, f of 4, f of 5 whatever. So just put a value here, f of 3 since they are asking here, put 3 cube is 27 minus 3 square 9 minus 3 plus 2, that is 35. So 35 is the answer. That's all. So for this given question, which is very important, okay. See, many people know they write everything. See, I give a simple way to write the interpolation formula. Okay, I will write it. You will put all the values also. It's very easy. Even a small kid can do it. Put values, but they go wrong in the signs, plus or minus. Be careful here. Okay. So the best thing here is because this question, same question is being repeated many times in examination. So you can memorize this answer, and again you can remember here that. Just take the LCM of it. 5 4 is 20, 20 is LCM, then open a bracket and then solve it. You will get the correct answer here. Okay. So that's all. Apart from this, please do refer my playlist for other videos on polynomials and other questions on Lagrange interpolation. Fine. Same question can be repeatedly asked in examination. So please do practice well. Otherwise, you will end up getting till here and the wrong polynomial solutions, and from 6 to 7 marks, you may get 3 to 4 marks. Please don't do that. Everything depends on practice. Please practice opening the brackets, solving the polynomials some 2 to 3 times. Okay. Then you will become perfect. I hope you will do it. Fine.